This is our new microwave from Sharp. We were so happy to find one that was powerful enough and large enough, but also fit into our space. So we'll just press this. It's a button press, so it doesn't have this bulky handle coming out here. If you're short on depth like we are, we had to fit it into this cabinet area and be able to close this pantry door. So as you can see, it perfectly fits. It is 1000 watt and 1.1 CU. And it was really hard to find. So if you're looking for a shallow depth microwave, this is it. We are so happy with it. We tested it out. It's super powerful. It cooks things at the right time. We don't have to do extra time. As you can see, it has settings for all your major things that you're going to cook, but you can also do a time cook as well. Yeah, and so far we are so thrilled with it. If you're in the market for a new microwave, especially one that is powerful enough and big enough, but fits into a shallow depth space, this is it. I highly recommend.